High in the northern mountains of the Philippines lies a land carved by time and culture, the Cordillera, home to a diverse group of indigenous communities, each with their own distinct heritage. Among the proud indigenous peoples of the Cordillera are the Kankanaey, resilient, creative, and deeply connected to their ancestral land, spread across the Benguet and Mountain Province. Kankanaey are known for their remarkable artistry, especially in the art of weaving. In the bustling city of Baguio in Benguet, often called the cultural hub of the Cordillera, many Kankanaey weavers continue to practice their craft with pride. Here, weaving is more than livelihood. It is an expression of identity and love for tradition. In Easter Weaving Incorporation, witness the life of weaving of Kankanaey. It all begins with warping. Using a warping device made of any sturdy wood, it stretches thread after thread across its frame. Each strand is measured with care, aligning past and present. This step lays the foundation, like planting the seeds of a future pattern. Every fiber is a promise. Then comes the beaming. These threads are carefully rolled by putting a cardboard to support the threads. Next is threading. One by one, each strand is pulled through the heddles, wooden bars suspended by sinulid or string. It is a meticulous process, demanding patience and steady hands. Beside the loom rests the shuttle, a carved wooden tool that carries the weft thread. The reeds, or pagsidsid, guides the spacing of the threads, keeping them aligned. They act as guardians of symmetry, ensuring the fabric emerges as whole, as beautiful. Finally, the sewing. The cloth is removed from the loom and shaped by needle and thread. It becomes a clothing, blanket, or sacred offering. The final stitches are made not just with thread, but with pride. These don't just reflect their craftsmanship, but also their identity as Kankanaey.
Ako si Gracious, 19 years old, born and raised here sa Baguio City. I'm part of the Kankanaey tribe. So, lumaki ako nang mula sa traditions namin, sa culture namin ng mga Kankanaey. So, yung mga produkto na hinahabing tela is talagang naging part na siya ng buhay namin as Kankanaey people. Napabahagi namin yung produkto namin sa pamamagitan ng pagtitinda. Kahit pa na mahirap gawin yung mga produkto, binibenta pa rin namin siya kasi one of livelihood na namin kasi siya. So, doon na kami kumukuha ng pang-aaral, ganyan, kumukuha yung mga parents namin ng pang-aaral namin. And then, pati na rin sa food, syempre.
in Baguio City Public Market, where you can see different Kankanaey woven products like bags, neckties, shawl, tablecloth, hat, tote bag, and beddings.
Ito ang skills na namana namin sa mga parent namin at sa lola namin. In the first place nga, yung mga na-hobby is yun din ang skill namin. So, yun ang source ng income namin. Ang kagandahan dito kasi is meron po yung tinatawag na ordinary, meron po yung tinatawag na talagang quality. Lumabas po kasi yung kapatid ko, nang lumabas po kasi ang mga lay, yung ganyan.
Yes.
At saka mga necklace. Siyempre, kailangan din, pag sa babae ang susuot, kailangan din may hikaw. Kaya yung 3-9 nila, noong una, nag-successful naman. Yung kapatid ko ang may idea naman. Si Tribu Sapsapan. Kasi noon po sa kabila, may mga bags ngayon na may beads. So sabi niya, ano kaya kung gagawa ako ng necklace na may beads? So doon po nag-boom naman.
Mga natututo sa pag-hobby. So, pero ano pa rin naman siya, na-preserve pa rin siya kasi meron pa rin naman yung mga Kankanaey na interested pa rin dun sa pag-hobby kahit nahirap. Pero, ayun, sana mas marami pang mga generation sa amin na yun, maging interested pa sa pag-hobby para ma-preserve pa rin yung identity, kultura, and tradisyon ng Kankanaey.
Dapat po tangkiligin talaga na pagtsagaan na pag-aralan, lalo yung mga designs na old designs kasi nawawala na yung mga old design kasi mahirap gawin. Pero kailangan tangkiligin natin para hindi mawala. Kasi kung mawawala, yung ibang bansa na nagtangkilig, bibilhin din natin in the future. Pero hindi tayo. Yung mga anak natin o apo natin pwedeng gagawa yun. Pero sayang naman, nabibili ka pa meron nga sa atin.
This reminds us that we should honor and preserve Kankanaey woven products, not just as cultural artifacts, but as living symbols of identity, craftsmanship, and heritage. By supporting and protecting these traditional weaves, we help ensure that the stories, skills, and spirit of Kankanaey people are passed on to future generation.
Kailangan natin na protektahan ang kultura natin. Diyan po nag-boom ang weaving product.